If you've ever wondered how to join layers in Krita, you're in the right place. In Krita, joining layers is usually called merging layers, and there are a couple of easy ways to do it depending on what you want to achieve. You can merge just one layer down into the layer below, or you can select several layers and merge them together at once. And if you're building a cleaner workflow, you can also group layers instead of permanently combining them. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest methods step by step, so you can choose the one that fits your project best. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Krita and take a look at the Layers Docker. This is where all of your layers are listed, and it's the main place you'll be working from. Before merging anything, it's always a good idea to double check which layer is selected, because once layers are merged, the change is permanent unless you undo it right away. Now let's start with the quickest method, which is merging a layer down. This is the fastest way to join your current layer with the one directly beneath it. To do this, click the top layer you want to combine in the Layers Docker. Make sure it's highlighted so you know Krita is working on the correct one. Then press Ctrl+E on Windows or Linux. If you're using a Mac, press Command+E instead. That keyboard shortcut will instantly merge the selected layer down into the layer below it. If you prefer using the menu instead of shortcuts, you can also right-click the layer and choose Merge with Layer Below. This does the exact same thing, just with a slightly different workflow. This method is really useful when you've finished editing a layer and want to lock in those changes without keeping it separate anymore. Next, let's say you don't want to merge everything, but you do want to join several specific layers together. Krita also makes that easy with Merge Selected Layers. To do this, hold down Ctrl on Windows and Linux or Command on Mac and click each layer you want to merge. You'll see them all highlighted once they're selected. After that, right-click on any of the highlighted layers and choose Merge Selected Layers. Krita will combine only those layers you picked while leaving the rest of your document untouched. This is especially helpful when you're working on a complex illustration and only want to combine certain effects, sketch, lines, or color layers. One thing to keep in mind is that merging layers is permanent unless you undo it right away, so it's always smart to save a copy of your file before doing major layer changes. That way, if you need to go back later, you still have your original layered version available. Also, if your goal is not to permanently combine layers, but simply keep them organized, you can use grouping instead. Groups let you keep related layers together without flattening them, which is great for keeping your artwork editable. But if you specifically want to join layers in Krita, the merge options are the ones you'll use most often. So to quickly recap, if you want to merge one layer into the one below it, select the top layer and use Ctrl+E or Command+E. If you want to merge several chosen layers, select them first and then use Merge Selected Layers. Both methods are simple, fast, and perfect for cleaning up your layer stack. If this video helped you learn how to join layers in Krita, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.